Chocolate. The very mention of it can make our mouths water and our hearts race. The very word evokes a sense of longing, a craving that is almost primal. It brings a rush of pure, unadulterated pleasure, a moment of bliss that transcends the ordinary. It's a universal language that transcends borders and cultures, a sweet symphony that unites us all, a timeless treat that has captivated our hearts and taste buds for centuries, evolving through the ages. From the ancient Mayans who revered it as a sacred drink, a gift from the gods, to the modern-day confectionaries that line our shelves, offering endless varieties and flavors, chocolate has woven itself into the very fabric of our culinary desires, becoming a staple in our lives. But how does this magical substance come to be? What is the journey from bean to bar? How do we transform humble cocoa beans into the smooth, velvety indulgence we know and love? The process is as fascinating as the end product. Join me, my fellow culinary explorers, as we embark on a fascinating journey, uncovering the secrets of chocolate making. We will trace the intricate steps that transform a simple bean into the confectionery marvel we call chocolate, exploring every detail. We'll delve into the world of cocoa, from its humble origins on sun-drenched trees in tropical climates, to the dedicated farmers who nurture these precious pods, ensuring the highest quality beans. Then, we'll journey to the sophisticated factories where these beans undergo a metamorphosis, emerging as a symphony of flavor, crafted with precision and care. Get ready to indulge your curiosity as we unlock the secrets behind this beloved treat, exploring the science and art of chocolate making. Prepare to be amazed by the artistry, precision, and passion that go into every bite. Let's begin our adventure into the world of chocolate. Our journey begins in the heart of the tropics, where the cacao tree, known scientifically as Theobroma cacao, flourishes in the humid embrace of equatorial climates. Picture sprawling plantations bathed in dappled sunlight, the air thick with the sweet aroma of ripening cocoa pods. These pods, resembling oversized lemons or melons, dangle from the tree trunks and branches, their vibrant hues ranging from deep crimson to sunshine yellow. Inside each pod lies a treasure trove of precious cocoa beans, nestled within a sweet, white pulp. Harvesting these pods is a labor-intensive process, often done by hand using machetes to carefully pry them from the branches without damaging the delicate trees. The pods are then gathered and split open, revealing rows of plump white beans coated in the sticky white pulp. Once the cocoa beans are freed from their pods, the real magic begins. The transformation of raw, bitter beans into the flavorful foundation of chocolate. This journey from bitterness to bliss is a meticulous process that has been perfected over centuries. This alchemical process starts with fermentation, a critical step that sets the stage for the development of the beans' complex flavors. The beans, still enveloped in their sugary pulp, are piled onto platforms covered with banana leaves and left to their own devices. This traditional method helps to create the perfect environment for fermentation. Over the next few days, naturally occurring yeasts in the air interact with the sugars in the pulp, triggering a fermentation process. This interaction is crucial as it initiates the breakdown of the bean's natural bitterness. This generates heat and produces a variety of flavor compounds, stripping the beans of their bitterness and imparting the complex, nuanced flavors that define chocolate. The beans undergo a remarkable transformation, changing in color and aroma. After fermentation, the beans, now a rich brown color, are spread out under the tropical sun to dry. This drying process is essential to reduce their moisture content. This crucial step reduces their moisture content, preventing mold growth and further developing their flavor profile. The tropical sun plays a vital role in this natural drying process. The beans are regularly turned to ensure even drying, their aroma filling the air with a rich, chocolatey scent. This careful attention to detail ensures that each bean reaches its full potential, ready to be transformed into the chocolate we all love. The dried cocoa beans, now resembling oversized coffee beans, embark on the next leg of their transformation, roasting. This crucial step unlocks the beans' full flavor potential, transforming their raw, earthy notes into the rich, complex aromas we associate with chocolate. The beans are meticulously roasted at precise temperatures, the exact degree and duration carefully calibrated to achieve the desired flavor profile. As they tumble in the roaster, the heat coaxes out their natural oils, releasing a symphony of enticing aromas that fill the air with the intoxicating scent of chocolate. Roasting is a delicate balancing act. Too little heat and the beans remain underdeveloped, their flavors muted. Too much and they become burnt, their delicate nuances destroyed. It's a testament to the roaster's skill and experience, their ability to coax out the beans' full potential without sacrificing their inherent qualities. Section 5. Grinding into liquid gold cocoa mass. Once roasted to perfection, the beans move on to the next stage of their transformation, grinding. The heat generated during roasting has melted the cocoa butter within the beans, transforming them into a thick, viscous paste known as chocolate liquor or cocoa mass. Industrial grinders crush the roasted beans, pulverizing them into a smooth, homogeneous paste. The aroma that wafts from these machines is intoxicating, a heady blend of rich, dark chocolate with subtle hints of fruit and spice. It's a sensory overload that hints at the delights to come. This cocoa mass is the very essence of chocolate, the foundation from which all types of chocolate are created. It's a versatile ingredient, used to produce everything from unsweetened baking chocolate to the sweetest milk chocolate confections. Section 6. The master craftsman blending the elixir. With the creation of cocoa mass, our journey reaches a pivotal point. It's here that the artistry of the chocolatier truly comes into play. As they transform this raw ingredient into the delectable treat we know and love, the chocolatier carefully blends the cocoa mass with other ingredients, the exact proportions dictated by the desired type of chocolate. Sugar is added for sweetness, milk powder for creaminess, and additional cocoa butter for smoothness and texture. The blending process is a meticulous one, requiring a keen palate and a deep understanding of flavor interactions. As Section 7. Conching, a symphony of flavor. The blended chocolate, now resembling a thick, gritty paste, undergoes a process known as conching, a crucial step that refines its texture and flavor. This stage is essential in transforming the raw mixture into the smooth, delectable chocolate we all love. Conching involves slowly agitating the chocolate in large, heated vats called conches. These vats are designed to ensure that every particle of chocolate is evenly processed. These machines, equipped with granite rollers that grind and knead the chocolate, work tirelessly for hours, even days, depending on the desired quality. The granite rollers are crucial as they help break down the particles to achieve a finer texture. As the chocolate churns within the conch, several things happen. The continuous movement ensures that the chocolate is aerated, which helps in developing its flavor. The heat generated by the friction melts the sugar and cocoa butter, further refining the texture. This melting process is vital as it helps in blending all the ingredients seamlessly. The constant movement also helps to evenly distribute the cocoa butter throughout the mixture, creating a smooth, velvety mouthfeel. This even distribution is what gives chocolate its characteristic melt-in-the-mouth quality, but conching is more than just a mechanical process, it's an art form. The chocolatier must carefully monitor the process to ensure the perfect balance of texture and flavor. The duration of conching plays a crucial role in shaping the final flavor profile of the chocolate. Longer conching times can lead to a more refined and sophisticated taste. Extended conching times allow for the development of more complex and nuanced flavors, resulting in a smoother, more refined taste. This meticulous process is what elevates good chocolate to great chocolate, making every bite a symphony of flavor. Section 8. The tempering temperament, a glossy finish. After conching, the chocolate is almost ready for its grand debut, but before it can be molded into its final form, it must undergo one final crucial step, tempering. Tempering is a controlled cooling and heating process that ensures the cocoa butter within the chocolate crystallizes in a stable form. This is essential for creating chocolate with a glossy sheen, a satisfying snap when broken, and a smooth melt-in-your-mouth texture. Tempering involves carefully heating the chocolate to a specific temperature, then cooling it down and reheating it in a controlled manner. This process encourages the formation of stable cocoa butter crystals, which give the chocolate its desirable qualities. Section 9. From factory to you, packaging and shipping. Finally, the tempered chocolate, now a thing of beauty, is ready to be molded into its final form. It's poured into molds of all shapes and sizes, from simple bars to intricate designs. Some are filled with nuts, fruits, or other delectable surprises, adding another layer of flavor and texture to the experience. Once the chocolate is set in its molds, it's carefully packaged. This is more than just about aesthetics. It's about protecting the chocolate from light, heat, and humidity, all of which can degrade its quality. The packaged chocolate is then shipped, often across continents, to reach its final destination, your hands. Each bar, each truffle, each carefully crafted piece represents the culmination of a long and fascinating journey, a testament to the passion and dedication of countless individuals who have poured their hearts into bringing this beloved treat to the world. Section 10. Savoring the sweet reward. And so our journey concludes with the most satisfying part of all, savoring the sweet reward. As you unwrap a bar of chocolate, take a moment to appreciate the long and intricate process it has undergone. Each bite is a testament to the ingenuity and passion of generations of chocolate makers, a sensory experience that has captivated humanity for centuries. From the humble cocoa bean to the finished product, the journey of chocolate is a testament to the transformative power of human ingenuity and the simple pleasure of a sweet indulgence. So go ahead, indulge in that square of dark chocolate, savor the smooth melt of a milk chocolate truffle, and let the flavors transport you to a world of pure imagination.